Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Pancella, and nobody told me I am late for the party, child. Okay, I was looking at American Idol with my mom a couple of weeks ago. I saw this cute little hairstyle, so I thought I like that. I would like to rock that. So I was just brushing my hair to make sure I got all of the tangles out. Now, the tutorials I looked at said to use a fine tooth comb. I don't own one, so I'm using a comb I've had for many years. Combing through, making sure I don't have any tangles. Putting my left side of my hair up to make sure it's out of my way. Using my paddle brush again to make sure there's no tangles. And I have my two elastic rubber bands that I'm going to use to put my hair, I guess you would call it a high ponytail. Now, this is my second attempt today. I did this earlier this morning before I left the house for a medical appointment. So I definitely am not a pro. This again is my second time. So I'm just going by twisting away around the elastic, and then I have my bobby pins. I use small ones, and putting those securely into my little space bun. I'm so late with the tutorials. I saw some as old as 6 years ago, and I'm like, oh, I am so tardy for this party. But it's getting hot outside. I'm in a southern state, so I just wanted to find something other than a ponytail to do my hair in. And I got quite a few compliments when I went to my medical appointment this morning, so that was a good sign. And it doesn't matter how old you are, if you feel comfortable doing something, do it. And of course, you see I have mingle gray. I don't care. I do what makes me, Pancella, happy. And doing these little space buns made me happy. Now, they are perfectly imperfect, and that's fine by me. I don't like perfect hair, okay? All right, and then I go with my bobby pins to to secure my little space bun on my left side. I think it looks pretty good. I actually may have done better on my first attempt this morning, but I'm taking a look. And I use Reckon, and I don't use this all the time, but Reckon hairspray, I think that's number 12. And just gonna do a little spray so we keep my bun up. And then just for a little shine, this is Kenra shine spray. So just give it a little whack, 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 whack. And I'm done, and I did that under 5 minutes. Thank you for watching.